Today we're going to go over adding an email alias to a user. This is useful when your emails contain the employee's name or initials. If somebody's name changes, you can ensure they still receive emails that may be sent to their old email address. You start in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Go to Users, then Active Users. Search for the user on the right-hand side by typing in their name or email. Then select the user from the search results to open their profile. On the Account tab, you'll see Aliases. Click Manage Username and Email. You'll see the user's current primary email address and username. Below that, you'll see a dialog that allows you to add additional usernames and select which domain you want that to be associated with. Once you enter a username and domain, click Add. Your business may have multiple domains that they own or use for different areas of the business, websites, product lines, or physical locations. You can add multiple by repeating this, but when you're done, click Save Changes. Once saved, you'll see a message that says, Changes saved successfully. You'll see all the available aliases for the user listed below the Add dialog. You can make changes to these by clicking the three dot to the right. You can make it the primary email or delete it. If you make an alias into the primary email, the current primary email becomes an alias. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to add aliases to a user. For more Microsoft 365 tips and tricks, check out our channel or visit us online at enterprisesolutionsnj.com.